New Messenger updates let us sync our messages on the app. If you haven't turned it on yet or forget the key or the PIN, some of our messages will be missing. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do that. It's like what you see on the intro. You're going to log in your Messenger on a new device. You open it, you will be greeted with a sign that says messages are missing, sync now. Here's how to change it. Now you're going to click the three lines on the upper left side, click settings. The first way to do it is get your old device where your account is first logged in, use a one-time code instead. Second one would be resetting the code. Click privacy and safety, the end-to-end encrypt chats, and click message storage. There you will see the reset pin. You can click that and then reset or create another pin. Make sure you don't forget about it so that your messages will be in sync. That's it for today's quick how-to. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you wouldn't miss any videos from us.